Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV Summa School. I am Muhammad Ali Amin Opu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a higher mathematics class for the student of class 9. My dear students, our today's topic is chapter 8, exercise 1.1 discussion plus question number 10 from the exercise 8.1. Okay, our lecture number is 29 and you have no homework today. Okay, dear students. Now let's start your class. Your class is about chapter 8. Chapter 8 is trigonometry. It's a new division of mathematics to you. My dear students, trigonometry comes from two words. It's trigon and metry. Okay, trigonometry. It's trigon and metry. So trigon means what? Trigon is a Greek word. Okay, trigon means three angles. Three angles. And metry means measurement. Metry means measurement. So trigonometry means the measurement of the three angles. Three angles of what? Look, my dear students, three angles. That means in a triangle, the measurement of three angles is the brief discussion about the three angles is called the trigonometry. Okay, and trigonometry has two branches. Trigonometry has two branches. One branch, the first branch is plane trigonometry. Plane trigonometry. Plane trigonometry, which is included in your book, and the second one is spherical trigonometry, which is not included in your book. Okay, spherical trigonometry. So the two branches, plane trigonometry and another is spherical trigonometry. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the angles of geometry and trigonometry. My dear students, in geometry, which angles we have measured or we have calculated? Look, we have in geometry we have four coordinates like this. Okay, it's x-axis and this is y-axis. It's our origin, my dear students. It's O, and we know that in geometry we can calculate the angles from 0 degree to 360 degree. That means if we get the total distance, if we get the total angle, then we get 360 degree. Okay, that means we can calculate in geometry up to 360 degree, but in trigonometry we can calculate from 0 degree to 360 degree. Also we can calculate up to 360 degree. That means we can calculate any number of degrees in trigonometry, and we can also calculate the negative degrees also. That means we can calculate -1 degree, -2 degree by trigonometry and so on. That means trigonometry has no limitation of angles. Now the students, next thing is the negative degrees in trigonometry. My dear students, look, in geometry we can calculate 360 degree, right? But we can calculate in trigonometry how many? Suppose we need to calculate 400 degree. 400 degree is what? Look, it is our first coordinate, and first coordinate has 90 degree. Second coordinate has also 90 degree, and third and fourth, all the coordinate has 90 degree. That means if we start from here, in trigonometry we must start from the x-axis. Okay, that means from here we should start. If we go to the anti-clockwise, then we should find out the positive angle. If we go to the clockwise, we will find out the negative angles. That means if we wish to find out 400 degree, then what should it would be? Look, it's 90 degree. If we go to the second coordinate, it will be 180 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Then third coordinate plus 90 is equal to 270 plus 90. That means it is 360. Then 360 subtract 360 from 40. We will find out. Sorry, subtract 360 from 400. We will find out 40 degree. That means from 360 degree, we need to go to the anti-clockwise again up to 40 degree. Then we will find out what? Suppose this is 40 degree. Okay, then this angle is called 400 degree. This angle is called totally 400 degree. Okay, in trigonometry. And if we wish to find out -400 degree, then how can we find out -400 degree? Then if we wish to find out minus angles, that means negative angles, we should go to the clockwise. Suppose this is our coordinate, it's x-axis, and this is our y-axis. Okay, now dear students, it's our origin. We need to find out minus 400 degree. That's why we should go to the clockwise. From the x-axis we should go to clockwise. That means if we go to this coordinate, first coordinate, it will be minus 90 degree. Then second coordinate, add minus 90, it would be minus 180 degree. Then third coordinate, if we pass, then it would be minus 90 again, so it would be 270. After that, if we add minus 90 again, it would be minus 360 degree. Then we need to find out minus 400. That means we should go to the clockwise again up to 40 degree. That means if we go this way, suppose this is 40 degree, okay, from here this is 40 degree. That means it will be totally in clockwise. If we go like this, it will be our minus 400 degree. Okay, we can imagine this one only, we can't see this one in real system. Okay, now the next discussion is about the measurement of angles of two units. That means we are calculated the previous angles in only degree. That means in sexagesimal system. In sexagesimal system, our unit is degree, and there is another system of angles. The other system is circular system. Okay, circular system's unit is radian. Okay, and radian is indicated as the c. Like suppose it is pi by 3 radian, then this sign will be created. It's a small c. Okay, small c is the symbol of radian. It's pi by c radian, it's called, and we will call this minus 400 degree is the sign of degree. Okay, in sexagesimal system we will find out the degree as our unit, and in radian system we will find out this c, and we will call this one as radian. Okay, now my dear students, there is some relationship in the degree system. That means in sexagesimal system. In sexagesimal system, we know that 90 degree, that's equal to one right angle. Yes, you know that already. 90 degree equal to one right angle. It's 90 degree. We can write down like this, 90 degree. Now we can also write down 1 minute. 1 minute, it's called minute. 1 minute is equal to 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute, it's 1 dash is called minute, 2 dash is called second. So 1 minute equal to 60 second. Okay, and we know that also it's 1 degree, that's equal to, it is degree. Okay, 1 degree, that's equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so it's the three relationship. It's very needed to conversion of a angle. Okay, if we need to convert any angle from degree to minute or to second, then this relationship is very essential. So 90 degree equal to one right angle, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the circular system. Circular system unit is radian. What is radian angle? The student, what is radian angle? It's very needful. First of all, I am going to discuss about this one. You will find out the definition of a radian in your book, page number 162. Okay, you will find out the definition. But what is 1 radian? Look, suppose this is a circle. Okay, and suppose this is radian. See, this is radius. Okay, this is radius r. If we find out the chord is equal to this radius, that means suppose this is point P and another point is Q, and the distance between P and Q is equal to r. That means distance between P and Q is radius of this circle. Okay, if we add this center point with Q, center point is suppose O. Okay, if we add these 2 points and this 2 point, then this chord, that means the equal radius equal chord, create an angle in the center is called the radius. Okay, it's called the radian magnitude unit. Again, I am repeating again, is PQ chord is equal to the radius of this circle. Okay, and this chord creates an angle in the center, and this angle will be called 1 radian. I think you have understood, and you can find out the definition in your book, page number 162. Now I am going to discuss another relationship. It's very needful relationship, S equal to R theta. When we do some problem solution, then this is very needful. Okay, S is what, R is what, theta is what. We know that already. R is called radius. R is called the radius of any circle. Suppose this is our circle. Okay, R will be our radius, and S is what? S will be chord. It will be any chord. Suppose this is our circle. Okay, we wish to find out, suppose this is any point A, this is another point B. Okay, that means AB is called S here. AB is called S here. Okay, and R is what? R is the radius. Suppose this we join, then this will be R. S is this one, R is this radius. And theta, what is theta? Theta is the angle between A and B. That means theta is the angle created by the chord AB in the center. That means if we add these 2 points, suppose this is OB, we should need to add OA, need to add. Then we will find out an angle AOB. Then this angle will be our theta. And the relationship is what? The relationship is S equal to R theta. This is our relationship. If any two values of this relationship is given, then the third value we can calculate it easily from this relationship. Now we are going to discuss about the relationship between the degree and the radian. Okay, degree and radian's relationship. It's so easy. We know that already from your general mathematics book. We can write down pi radian equal to 2 right angles. Okay, pi radian equal to 2 right angle. We can find out this one from your general mathematics book. So by calculation, 1 radian equal to 2 by pi right angles. Okay, so we can write down 1 radian. 1 radian is what? 1 radian. Radian's symbol is C, and 2 right angle. 2 by pi right angle. Right angles. Now we can find out the value of 1 right angle equal to what? We can transfer this 2 in the left side. We will find out pi by 2 radian equal to 1 right angle. 1 right angle, sorry. And we know that 1 right angle equal to how much degree? It's 90 degree. So easy. Now we can write down 90 degree on the left side. We can write down, okay, 90 degree equal to this one, pi by 2 radian. So we can find out 1 degree equal to what? Now we can find out 1 degree by the unitary method. 1 degree equal to pi by 2 into 90. That means 180 as our denominator. Okay, radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. It's our relationship between degree and radian. Okay. Conversely, we can show that 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Okay. Conversely, we can show that 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. Okay. From this relation, we can transfer this pi by 80 in the left side. Then we can find out this one. Okay. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. Now we will show that the relationship of degree and radian in a single line from this equation. We need to write down here 1 degree equal to what we have got pi by 180 radian. Okay, now suppose d degree is the measurement of the angle in sexagesimal system. Okay, suppose d degree is the measurement of angle in sexagesimal system. Okay, sexagesimal system, and r radian is the measurement of angle in radian system, okay, sorry, in circular system, Now what is the relationship between D and R? From this equation we can write down 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So D degree equal to what? We have multiplied left side by D, okay. So in the right side we will get a D here. So it will be D multiplication with pi by 180 radian. Now we have already indicated the radian cone as RC. So we can write down this one equal to RC, okay, in circular system. So we can find out that D multiplication with pi by 180, that's equal to R. D into pi by 180 equal to R, we can write down easily. So the relationship will be what? D by 180, D by 180, that's equal to R by this pi will be transferred on the right side, and these are this pi was as our numerator and it will be our denominator in the right side, okay. So it will be pi. Now this is our relationship between D and R, okay. It's D by 180, that's equal to R by pi. I think you have understood, my dear students. Now I am going to solve the question number 10 from your book. Question number 10 from your book, okay. It's exercise 8.1. Question number 10. The question number 10 is given that the radius of the earth is 6,440 kilometer. Is 6,440 kilometer is the radius of the earth, of our earth. What is the distance between two places on the surface of the earth which subtend an angle of 32 its second, double dash means second, 32 second at the center of the earth. That means 32 second is given here and 6,440 kilometer is given here. What these two values are given? Look at the figure. Suppose this is our earth, okay. Suppose this is our earth and the earth radius is given here. Radius is 6440. This is our value of earth, 6400 kilometer. And dear students, any two places create an angle 32 second. Suppose these two places, this is a place A, this is another place B. These two places create the angle at the center 32. So theta is equal to here what? Theta equal to 32 second. We need to find out the distance between these two places. That means we need to find out the value of S, because S is here AB, right? From the relationship of S equal to R theta, we can find out the value of distance of the two places easily. But dear student, in this relationship, the value of theta must be in radian. The value of theta must be in radian, and these two values in it, that means the S unit and the R's unit, that means the two place distance unit and the radians unit will be similar. If this is kilometer, then R will be also in kilometer. If this is meter, then R will be also in meter, okay. Now what should we do? At first we should convert this 32 second into radian, okay. Before that, this 32 need to convert into degree, okay. Now convert this one, it's 32 second, okay. Number 10 of exercise, it's exercise 8.1, okay. It says 8.1 number 10. Given angle is 32 second. That's equal to what? 32 by 60 minute, because we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That's why we can divide this one and we will get the minute, okay. Now this we can reduce this 32 by 4 and 60 by 4, we will get 8 by 15, okay. It's minute. Now we have to convert this angle minute to degree. So we need to divide this one again by 60 because we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minute. That's why if we divide this minute into by 60, then we will get degree here. Okay, it's 8 by 15 into 60 minute. Sorry, it should be degree. Now it's reduce this again. We can divide 8 by 4. We can divide 60 by 4. So it will be 2. If we divide 8 by 4, we will get 2, and if we divide 60 by 4, we will get 15. It is our degree. That means 2 by 225 degree. We have got the angle in the sine degree, but we need to convert this one again into radian. My dear students, radian and the radian and degrees relationship is what? Radian and degrees relationship is what? We know the relationship is, from the relationship of this one we can find out this one is equal to 2 by 225 into pi by 180 radian, because we know that the relationship 1 degree that's equal to pi by 180 radian. From this relationship we can write down this degree that's equal to, this is multiplied with by pi by 180, we will get the radian angle. Okay, now this is our radian angle, and we know that the relationship of s equal to r theta. Now we know that write down, we know that here, we know that r equal to, sorry, s equal to r theta, s is equal to r theta. Now the value of s and the value of s here is we need to find out. The value of r is given here and the value of theta is we have find out. Okay, value of r here is what? R equal to 6440 kilometer. Now put it down here, it will be 6440 kilometer into this 2 by 225, sorry, it's 225 into pi by 180 radian. That is will be 0.999 approximate. Okay, so we can write down 0.999, that means it's approximate 1. Okay, so we can write down 1 approximately. You must use calculator, you can use the calculator to get 0.999, okay, from this expression. Dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture, how to solve question number 10. You have a practice sheet here. You can see the board in the left of corner, my dear students. This is your practice sheet. You must practice at home for your better examination. That means for the half-yearly examination, this is needed to practice more and more at home, because this kind of question will be arise in the half-yearly examination. See you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.